Hello everybody and welcome to part 2 of the PC Partner XL machine. This is just going to be turning it on. I'm not going to go over anything that I did as far as like replacing screws and cleaning the machine. If you didn't watch the other video I uploaded before this, that's basically part 1, and that's where I talked about just basically rebuilding the entire machine. I did it all on camera, which is something new I wanted to try, and I think I'll stick with that when I repair the other machine that I've got here right behind me. That still needs to be repaired and rebuilt on camera. It doesn't really need to be repaired, but anyway, I did clean off the keyboard. I don't know if I showed you guys what it looked like, but it was just full of dust. I don't have any pictures of it. I don't think I do. Well, actually I do have a couple pictures. Maybe I'll put them up in the bottom of this video in the description. Maybe I'll make like a Google document page or something. But it's kind of a neat little kind of mechanical sounding keyboard. I don't know what type of switches those are or anything like that. But it's kind of a neat keyboard. It's got a little power light on the keyboard too, which is also kind of interesting. But moving up from that, I should say, the rest of the machine is pretty much all cleaned. I'll make a separate video sometime in the future, whenever I do a proper review of this machine. That'll basically talk about whatever I did to this machine to make it cleaned. It does have a hard drive in it though, and that's what I wanted to show you guys in this video. I wanted to show you guys that it actually does boot up. So let me go ahead and position the camera so you guys are looking at the screen, and we'll turn it on. Okay guys, so it might be a little hard to hear me. I'm actually standing behind, or next to the computer. We're going to go ahead and power it on, and I'll show you guys what it does. I got my Packard Bell monitor hooked up, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Power on the monitor, and let's go power the machine on. Now there's kind of a little delay, but then it starts up. I don't have a mouse hooked up to this. I know it's going to go and ask if I've got a mouse hooked up, and then it's going to say stop responding. But I do have a mouse, however, that will work with it. I just don't have it with me at the moment. There you go. I didn't mention it, but it is running Windows 3.1, which you obviously saw. And the keyboard does work perfectly fine. At least from what I can tell. I haven't ran any tests on it. I do know there is a diagnostic tool you can use in the BIOS that'll let you do that. So let's go ahead here and X out of DOS, or Windows, sorry. And I will show you guys what DOS version is installed on this machine. As you can see, it is running MS-DOS 5. I was actually planning on installing that if the hard drive was not working, or was functioning but didn't have anything on it. And I've actually got a boxed copy right here. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see that pretty well. But it is MS-DOS 5. I haven't actually ever tested this out, so I don't know if it'll work. It will definitely work with a 386, so that's what I was going to put on there. And it looks like somebody was already a step ahead of me and had it installed. There are also some games in this machine. And like I said, I'll definitely do a better review of this machine sometime in the future. I really want to focus on this computer quite a bit, just because it's the only real cool old computer I've got. And I'm kind of surprising it still works. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later with another video.